Hello fellow developers. Today I'm going over the custom prompt. I highly recommend you go to the help page and read more about this prompt here. This prompt allows you to create your own prompt and pass it into Qodo Merge for your PR. Let's go ahead and see this in action. So I'm going to go ahead and do a custom prompt, and I'm saying only give me one suggestion. So even though my prompt is saying to do two things, we're only going to get the highest number ranking of something of importance for a suggestion coming from Qodo Merge. So we have our eyeballs, and now it's going to start working. So here's my single suggestion in which I got a score of 10, so it's the highest one, and it's recommending we remove the System.out.print line and use a logger instead. And that was one of our prompts that we did. Happy coding with Qodo.